The older you get, the more you realize how precious life is. Your priorities shift, and you find no desire for drama, conflict, or stress. Instead, you cherish the simple joys. Good friends who bring warmth to your heart, a cozy home that offers peace, food on the table to nourish your body, and the company of those who make you truly happy. These moments of tranquility and connection become the essence of your days. You seek out laughter, love, and the quiet contentment that comes from knowing you are surrounded by those who care. This is the beauty of growing older, finding profound joy in the simplicity of life.